Today's video is going to focus on a mistake you have no idea you're making. In fact, you've been making it for years. I call it everything before the word but is BS. Let me give you a relatable example. Let's say your boss has a chat with you and says, you know you're doing a great job, but there are a few things you could work on. What do you remember hearing? The fact that you're doing a great job, or there are things you should be working on? Everything before the word but is BS because it seems contrived. Nothing more than a stroke before the punch. How do you change that? Well, imagine if your boss changed the word but to and, or better yet, just remove the word but and take a pacing break. Here's how it sounds. You know you're doing a great job. There are a few things you could work on. Remember this every time you're explaining something with a buyer. This is one of the concepts in my book, Shut Up, Stop Talking, and Start Making Money. I'll put a link in the comments section. My next video is a subscriber request. Gord wanted to know more about cold calling.